what's up everybody? So I'm showing some video clips here of when I dropped my bike off at the Harley dealer to have some new bars installed. Now I did not have my mic adapter at the time, so I don't have any dialogue recorded at that time. But I did want to show these clips of the bike before and after, just to give you an idea of what the stock bars look like with this quarter fairing on it and what the new bars look like. So these are the old handlebars, and these are called the buckhorn handlebars. So here are the Harley-Davidson Street Slammer bars right after the install. I was going to pick up the bike. So this is the first time I've seen them. Alright, I'm bringing the bike back so they can reroute this clutch cable here, so put it on the inside of the fork. So today I'm on my 2019 Low Rider and testing out the new handlebars and also the new GoPro Hero 8 Media mod. So I've got my internal microphone inside my helmet routed out to the back of the media mod. So full disclosure, I did not do these bars myself. I did take this bike into the Harley dealership and had them install the bars. Just because I wasn't really comfortable doing the work myself. Wasn't sure if I was going to need a brake cable or clutch cable extension, and I really didn't want to mess with that with my skill level. I am not a certified mechanic, and I'm not even a good uncertified mechanic. So these Harley-Davidson Street Slammer bars work really good with this quarter fairing that I installed recently. This is also the Harley-Davidson Vivid Black quarter fairing. When it comes to things like handlebars and some of the more complicated tasks, I prefer to let the experts just do their thing. Especially handlebars like this, where you've got like taller risers and you need cable extensions and possibly brake line and clutch cable extensions. I'm just not comfortable doing that kind of stuff. So for example, these Street Slammer bars have 7-inch risers on them, so they needed to have internal wiring extensions put on there for your controls and the throttle by wire and that kind of stuff. And even after having the Harley dealer do it, the bars were a little bit crooked, and I had to go back and have them change that. Also, for some reason they routed the clutch cable wire on the outside. I don't know why they did that, so I ended up having to bring it back and having them redo the clutch cable and run it on the inside, and that works much better. So the one thing I did have to change out was so this quarter fairing kit had a clutch cable guide that was kind of an extended one to hold this up higher, but it had a little cutout in it and the side of it, so the clutch cable kept coming out of there, and it ended up chewing up the side of the cable because it was rubbing too much. So I just removed it completely. So without that guide on there, the clutch cable does move freely now. It does rub on the side of this visor a little bit, but I'm willing to take that rather than having the cable get chewed up by the clutch cable guide, or possibly getting caught on there when I'm trying to, you know, in the middle of a turn or something. That would be bad. So these bars come up and back a little bit over the stock ones. A slightly more aggressive stance, but my arms are higher, more even with my shoulders with these bars. So for me personally, it's definitely increased my comfort level. So the only negative that I have on these bars so far is that my phone mount does not fit, because I believe these bars are like 2 inches thick, and the bracket that comes with the phone mount does not fit on that large of a bar. So the one that I have is a rock form, and it definitely does not fit. So that's about it for today. I just wanted to do a quick update on the handlebar status and kind of my first impressions. I love them, so if you couldn't tell by now. I mean, the things are so much nicer than the stock bars. Anyway, I think they're awesome. So if you like the video, click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on the next one.